Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps to your Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So we just have to go to search on the Fire Stick, and then here we open the search bar and start typing downloader in the search. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So just click on downloader, and here's the app, which you need to get to your device. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up the loader, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My FireTV. So we open it, and in here what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select FireTV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in your case. And my case is gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them. Now make sure to turn on the ADB debugging. After that, go to install unknown apps. And in here, what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, and there's the downloader, which we just got to your device. But then, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So now we just go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. Let's open it up and then head straight into downloader now, as we are ready to use it. And in downloader, we have to open the search bar, and then there will be entering the codes to download the amazing new apps to your Fire Stick. So the first code that we'll enter today will be 647 647-190. So once again, 647-190. That is the first code we're going to use today. And then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then you just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. And after that, don't click open yet, instead press done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And then if we go back to a list of applications on your device, here it is, let's open it. Wait a moment until it loads. And now there at the bottom, you will see the first but not the last app which we got for you today. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. And then we just go back to downloader so we could get you even more amazing applications like this one. So you come back to downloader, erase the previous code as it is not needed anymore. And now the next code that we'll use is gonna be 307888. So once again, 307888. That's the code we are using now. And then also click go and just wait until the download of this application starts for you as well. So here we go. We have started downloading this app. Also took us only a couple of seconds. Then you click install, and now the second application will also be installed to your Fire Stick device. Then again, click done and delete the unnecessary files from the FireTV Stick device, as we always do. And now when you come back to the list of applications on your FireTV Stick, here at the bottom you will find the second app. So let's also put it to the front, and now today you got 2 amazing apps for your Fire Stick. Enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.